I just want to give you the most powerful mantra that will remove the karma. Karma is the thought process that you have acquired in many, many lifetimes. And they create your mind, they create your body, they create everything in the world. And there is one mantra that will erase the karma that you accumulated over millions and millions of lifetimes. Dhanush Koti, Dhanush Koti, Dhanush Koti. Dhanush Koti is a sound which will momentarily remove the mind from your consciousness. Om Dhanush Koti, Dhanush Koti, Dhanush Koti. Focus attention on your third eye, the pineal gland. Dhanush Koti, Dhanush Koti. What will it do? It will remove the karma that we have accumulated from generations to generations. Dhanush Koti, Dhanush Koti, Dhanush Koti. You are so fortunate to receive this sound, this mantra. According to the tradition here in Rameshwaram, even if you had killed other human beings, whether out of necessity or out of enmity or whatever the reason is, when you come to this holy land called Rameshwaram, then you will instantaneously understand how great you are. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Dhanush Koti, Dhanush Koti, Dhanush Koti.